If you run Facebook or Instagram ads without your Meta Pixel set up properly, Meta is basically flying blind. Let me show you how to install it in 2026, test it, and make sure your leads are actually being tracked. The Meta Pixel helper is what tracks what happens after somebody clicks on your ad and lands on your website. For this video, we care about leads, not so much purchases, so things like form submissions or book calls. I'm Joshua from Adding Ally, and I'm going to be using the Meta Pixel helper to show you guys when a pixel is active. So the very first step you're going to be doing is looking up Meta Business Suite in your browser. You can press search, you click the first one, and then just click go ahead and get started. If you're already signed in, it should automatically put you into your account. And then on the bottom left here, we're gonna go ahead and click settings. Once you click settings, you're going to be brought to this page. You can come down here to the left, click data sources, and then click data sets and pixels. So we already have our pixel set up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and click add just like you guys would. We're gonna go ahead and name this after our business. So house painting pixel. Go ahead and click create. And then if it asks you what ad account you can connect it to, you can just click right here, select your ad account that you already have, and then click next. So now a very important tip is once it is created, right here where it says assign people, click that and then click the person you want to assign it to. So here we'll just go me and then click full control and then press assign. This will make sure that you have access to the pixel. From here, all you have to do is click events manager right here. So once it's brought you here, all you have to do is go on to the left, click connect data, select your website, click next, select the data set that you just made, so house painting pixel. We're just gonna go ahead with the setup Meta Pixel, and then you could also connect it with Google Tag Manager, but we're just gonna add the Meta Pixel code to the website ourselves. You can see this is the Meta Pixel code. You're gonna wanna make sure to copy that code, put it into the header of your website's code. So I'm gonna go over to our WordPress website. If you guys have a different one, just find the header code and put it in the top. So right now I'm on a WordPress website. You're gonna first start by going to the plugins and you're gonna look up WP code, and then you're just gonna install this and activate it. Once that's installed and activated, you can come down to your code snippets. You can go over to header and footer. So right here in your header, you're literally just going to copy, paste your pixel, and then you're going to have to click save changes. You can go over to the website and the pixel is going to pop up right here on our Chrome extension. As you can see, the Meta Pixel is active. We also have to make sure our website also fires for lead and form submitted. So if you have a contact form just like this, you want to make sure every time it's filled out, it fires as a lead or submit application. So in order to do that, while you're here pasting the code, you come down to the footer and you have to put in a custom JavaScript code. But if you guys have a GHL form on your website or a CRM form, you can come over to sites, then forms, and you can go over to where your form is, and then you can click settings, and then you can actually add the pixel to these settings. And you can make it so it doesn't fire as a page view, because then we'd have two, but make it so it fires as a submit application. Also add sticky contacts so it saves their information just in case, and then go ahead and click save. Now once that code's added to your website, you can come back to this tab, you can click next, and then for this little switch right here, you can just do email, first name, and phone number. Unless you have more questions on your form, then you can click done. Go to test events, you can select the channel, you can click website. From your website, events are set up correctly. You can grab your websites, come down here, click test events, boom, on the events manager, fires as a page view. We can come over here and we can type in our information. So we'll select the service, we'll enter a random phone number, we click get free quote. Once that event is submitted, we can come over here and we can see submit application fired, lead fired, and subscription button clicked. If you're a home service contractor, I have tons of tutorials on my channel. And if you're tired of all this online marketing BS, you can book a call with me in the bio and have Team Adding Ally generate your lead, book your quote, and only pay us for closed jobs.